Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will teach you how you can transfer your money from your Phantom wallet to bank. So in Phantom wallet, you have your money in the form of crypto. You can change your crypto money to USD dollars by third-party apps like Bybit, Binance or Coinbase. Now if we compare these apps on the basis of their trading fees, Bybit charges 0.10% for makers and 0.07% for taker orders. Now, if we talk about Binance charge 0.10% for both maker and takers. And if we talk about Coinbase's fees are more complex and are based on either a percentage of the transaction amount. For trade under $10, fee range from 0.99 cent to $2.99, and for trades over $10, fee ranges from 1.49% to 3.99% depending on payment method. Binance is best for low fee. If I talk about Coinbase is best for beginners because it has beginner friendly interface. And if I talk about Bybit is best for advanced trading. I will gonna use here Bybit. I will gonna transfer my crypto coins from my Phantom wallet to Bybit, and then from Bybit I can transfer them into USD dollars. So here I have opened my Bybit account. Here on Bybit in the home page you can see the option deposit. You can also click on that from here, or in the assessed you can also find the option deposit here. After opening deposit, you can see the option deposit with crypto. Click on that. After clicking on this option, you can see different coins. You can research here for any coin. I am researching here Solana. This process is same for all the coins: Polygon, Ethereum, Bitcoin. Now here click on Solana Chainbase. Here you can see the option Sol. Click on that. Here you have to verify your identity first. After doing that, you can copy your Solana Bybit receiving address. This is the address we will need in our Phantom wallet. Now I have opened my Phantom wallet. Now here, by clicking on the option send, this select token will come here. As we have copied Solana Bybit receiving address, so we have to select Solana here. Note that this process is same for all the coins. Here I am opening Solana. Here on send to, you can paste your Solana Bybit receiving address, and after doing that they will ask you to put in the amount, and that's how you can transfer your crypto from your Phantom wallet to Bybit. And on Bybit you can sell your crypto coins to convert your crypto money into USD dollars, and that's how you can transfer your money from your Phantom wallet to bank. If you find this video useful, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.